Hello, my name is Chef David Rose, and I'm here today at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center with a pecan-crusted Georgia rainbow trout with a Georgia peach relish. So, the best part of the dish, the premier star of the dish, is our Georgia pecan-crusted Georgia rainbow trout. A lot of Georgias, but I know, but we're in Georgia at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. So what I'm gonna do, first things first, I have our electric griddle right here. I'm gonna take some canola oil. I like using canola for this because it retains and actually works very well with high heats. You wanna use the oil with a high smoking point, because that way the oil won't burn as easily, it won't smoke, and you won't get that bitter flavor. So canola oil is really good, an all-purpose vegetable oil, peanut oil is very good. I'll tell you what you want to stay from. As much as I love olive oil will not work well for this because olive oil has a very low smoking point. Pro tip, write it down. You can thank me later. All right, so we have our breading station here. We have our rainbow trout seasoned on both sides, kosher salt, black pepper. Easy, right? We have our seasoned flour here. We have some all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, because again, you want to season every step throughout the cooking process. So what you do, only one side of the fish is going to be breaded. So we dip the fish into the seasoned flour, and you want to dip it into egg wash next. That egg wash is going to act as a glue when it's combined with that flour. So when you dip it into the pecan crust, is going to adhere and not fall off and stay on the griddle. We want to use the griddle to retain the temperature and also sear it into there, not leave the pecan crust on the griddle. So remember, flour, egg. Got it? Good. All right. Next to that, we have our pecan crust. In there, we have panko bread crust, or panko breadcrumbs that I blended with Georgia pecans, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. You guys still with me? I know you are. So when you're putting the trout onto the griddle, you want to listen out. Listen for that sizzle. Quiet. And that's what you're looking for, that nice sizzle, that nice sear on there. And at this point, you want to leave it alone. The amazing thing about the electric griddle is that every single square inch of this griddle can be used, can be utilized, because the temperature is very uniform all throughout it. There are no specific hot spots on the griddle where you can only use it for the temperature. So I can put the trout up there in the corner, I can put it down here on the side. I can utilize this griddle for every space that it does have, especially for high volume. In a restaurant, you're flipping burgers, you're flipping pancakes. You want to get those orders out as quickly as you can, as efficiently as you can. And what better way to do it than with the electrical griddle? Am I right? I'm right.